Hi, it's Offer O here. We are at the Asari's residence, and this is a classic example of how they are incorporating their culture, their beautiful Asante culture, into their lives here in the United States and into their home. Come check it out. See? A wonderful doormat customized for the Asari family, which is Asari Obusia, established 2017, AKWAABA. And you can see right here, there's an AKWAABA signpost there, which is beautiful. Your kids will love it. Your family members will love it. Neighbors, other folks will love it, and just, appreciate the beautiful culture that we have, which is the Asante culture. Get your copy.